Chapter 6 Sinbad sails from Baghdad with the presents for the king of Serendip. The king of Serendip is happy to see Sinbad again. "Stay here," he says to Sinbad, "and tell me more about the wise Caliph of Baghdad." "I'm sorry," says Sinbad. "I must go back to Baghdad now. I'm tired of adventures." Sinbad begins to go home. One day, a sea monster attacks the ship. "Help!" cries Sinbad. "Not more adventures!" The monster is angry. It eats some of the sailors from the ship. Quickly, Sinbad gets into a little boat and rows away. Sinbad lands on an island. He leaves his boat on the beach and goes to explore. Sinbad finds a cave. He can hear a noise. Someone's crying, he thinks. He looks into the cave and sees a young woman. In front of her, there's a monster. It is sleeping. She's the monster's prisoner, thinks Sinbad. I must help her. Later, the monster leaves to look for something to eat. Sinbad goes into the cave. "Who are you?" asks the woman. "I'm Sinbad the sailor," he says. "I can help you." "Thank you," she says. "I'm Yasmin." Sinbad takes Yasmin to the boat on the beach. "Can you row?" Sinbad asks her. "Of course I can," she says. "Well, here's my boat. Let's row." Sinbad and Yasmin row all night. In the morning, Sinbad sees his ship. Sinbad and Yasmin climb up to the ship. "Sinbad!" the sailors cry.
"You're alive!"
"Of course," says Sinbad, "and this is my friend Yasmin." Just then, pirates attack the ship. The pirates make Sinbad and Yasmin their prisoners. The pirates take Sinbad and Yasmin to a new country and sell them to a man at the market. "You must hunt elephants every day for their ivory," says the man. Sinbad and Yasmin are very good at hunting elephants. One day, lots of elephants follow Sinbad and Yasmin. Yasmin is afraid. "Why are those elephants following us?" she asks. "It's all right," says Sinbad. "Elephants are very wise, you know. Perhaps they want to tell us something." Sinbad and Yasmin climb a tree. The elephants are walking into a cave. "Let's go into that cave," says Sinbad. In the cave, Sinbad and Yasmin find lots of dead elephants. "Look at all these dead elephants," says Sinbad. Sinbad takes the hunter to the dead elephants. The hunter is very happy. "Thank you, Sinbad," he says. "Now we don't need to kill any elephants. We have lots of ivory here." "You can go now," says the hunter, and he gives Sinbad and Yasmin a lot of money. Sinbad and Yasmin sail back to Baghdad. Yasmin is very excited. "I want to meet all your friends," she says. Sinbad takes Yasmin to his house. Yasmin is surprised. You're very rich, she says. But money isn't the most important thing, says Sinbad. We must help people too. Sinbad then goes into the streets of Baghdad and he gives some of his money to the people there with no homes.
Thank
you, Sinbad, they cry.
You're a truly wise and good man.
The end.